Okay, that does it.
That one knocks me over.
You're my hero.
Okay, Bruce, we don't want to ruin the camera. We really don't, and it just got wet.
Hang in there, I think there's another one. Love it. I'm gonna kill my rig.
Somebody in another state is going to think I'm nuts.
I'm not clear out in the middle of the screen.